In this video, we're looking at the 5 largest counties in Kentucky. You may have wondered, what are the biggest counties in Kentucky? And that's what we're going to list today. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video, because everybody wants to know what is the biggest county in Kentucky. Let's start with the 5th largest county in Kentucky. At 596 square miles, Ohio County is the 5th largest county in Kentucky. It was founded in 1799 and has a population of 23,956. It's located in the western part of the state and bordered by Hancock, Breckinridge, Grayson, Butler, Muhlenberg, McLean, and Daviess County. The county seat is Hartford. And Ohio County was actually named after the Ohio River, but it no longer borders the river. The 4th largest county in Kentucky, at 630 square miles, is Hardin County. It was founded in 1792 and has a population of 107,556 people. It's located in the center part of Kentucky and bordered by Bullitt, Nelson, LaRue, Hart, Grayson, Breckinridge, and Meade counties. The county seat is Elizabethtown. Thomas Lincoln was a resident of Hardin County and helped Samuel Haycraft build a mill race at Haycraft's Mill on Valley Creek. The 3rd largest county in Kentucky, at 677 square miles, is Pulaski County, founded in 1798. It has a population of 63,505 and is located in the south central part of Kentucky and bordered by Rockcastle, Laurel, McCreary, Wayne, Russell, Casey, and Lincoln counties. The county seat is Somerset, and Pulaski County is home to one of the largest lakes in Kentucky, Lake Cumberland. The 2nd largest county in Kentucky, at 724 square miles, is Christian County, and it was founded in 1797. It has a population of 74,456 people. It is located in the western part of the state and bordered by Todd, Muhlenberg, Hopkins, Caldwell, and Trigg counties. The county seat is Hopkinsville. It is estimated that the county has 1,171 farms, covering nearly 300,000 acres. And finally, the largest county in Kentucky, at a whopping 789 square miles, is Pike County, which was founded in 1821. It has a population of 64,380. It's located in the farthest eastern part of the state and bordered by Martin, Floyd, Knott, and Letcher counties. The county seat is Pikeville. And one thing Pike County is very well known for is the Hatfield and McCoy feud. And there you have it, the 5 largest counties in Kentucky. Number 1, Pike County, 2, Christian County, 3, Pulaski County, 4, Hardin County, and 5, Ohio County. For more Kentucky history and Kentucky facts, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to try out audibletrial.com/kyhistorypod to get a free book of your choosing. If you'd like to support the channel, check out our Patreon page at patreon.com/kyhistorypod. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more Kentucky history content. Find us on these social media platforms and check out the Kentucky History Podcast on these podcast platforms for more in-depth history of Kentucky. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.